Today we have the 2024 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just under 15,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 9 seats in total, all of which are full cloth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise and voice control, and on the right we have hands-free calling. On our screen we can access navigation, radio, smartphone integration, our settings, features, and Apple and Android CarPlay. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors.